Hi, everybody. I want this to be alert. Somebody from my Twitter connected with my Periscope, and somebody has actually tried connecting it. I've taken the screenshot. So, this is my Twitter ID, right? Dr. Samreen Azhar. And somebody from location Karachi, iPhone, Wednesday, Tuesday, 12:32 p.m. PDT, 42 seconds. A new login. Somebody tried to log in is approximately based on the login's IP address. If this was you, so somebody has tried login through my Twitter account. So everybody needs to beware, beware. Twitter people. Okay, hacking is like this guy who was online yesterday. Maybe he and that cannot be stopped. So this is somebody has deleted this from. This is actually the location is from Karachi, 12:32 p.m. and I am in Lahore. So somebody has tried logging into my Twitter account. Yes, somebody has tried logging into my Twitter account and my deleted from my phone, from my iPhone. That means somebody has tried taking the information and using it. And look, if somebody has some kind of, and why me? If somebody is doing that, they need to stop. uh, so I want the Periscope people and I want the Twitter people, if somebody has done this, they need to catch that guy, catch that woman, whoever they are. And if they're trying to misuse it, yes, if they're trying to misuse it, uh, tell them to go to jail. So this is like location is Karachi and I am in Lahore. I am in Lahore. How scared are people? Dude, I'm a medical doctor only. You're scared of me. So, all the periscopers, I need to be very clear. All the periscopers, if anybody comes with my name or, yeah, I don't know how to do that. I don't know. And anybody on Twitter as well. People on Twitter, beware, because if any information gets out, there would be a problem. So this has been somebody has might have actually logged in from Karachi. Dude, I have nobody. कराची में हमारा कोई भी नहीं. मेरा कराची में कोई भी नहीं. I know nobody in Karachi. I know nobody. So if somebody has tried doing that, they need to be caught. They need to be killed right away. Like, if I'm a hacker, I need to be killed. And if I hacked Dr. Sabreen's Twitter accounts and deleted her accounts from her phone, I should be assassinated, definitely. And that's not possible that I have hacked Sabreen's Twitter accounts and I'm just logged in from that and I would be assassinated. That's not possible. Somebody gets assassinated for Dr. Sabreen's account uh, hacking. Stop. I Somebody has tried logging in from my in my to my Twitter account, which is actually connected uh, from Karachi. I'm in Lahore. Karachi is a different state. I don't know where that state is. I haven't been like, look. Somebody has tried hacking the account from Karachi at 12:32 p.m. seconds. This account is actually, yeah, that's not possible to kill hackers or to kill people who use your account IDs and your personal information for their benefit, and they want to know who's um, emailing and who's not emailing, and that's the problem. That's my phone. Why they're taking advantage of it? Like, why? Bug off, bastards. Bug off, sissy fucking weak bastards. These are like some sissy men, sissy people who have nothing. Sissy. And that's somebody from Karachi. I don't know. Karachi, mein, I have nobody. In Karachi, I have nobody. All my family lives in States. And I live in Lahore. I live in Lahore. Lahore is part of Punjab. Karachi, mein, I have nobody. If somebody has done that, they need to be held accountable for it, no matter how big or how small they are. They need to be held accountable for it. And if they try it again, Twitter and Periscope, it's your duty to track them and to get them. Yes, that's the message. Beware, Periscopers and Twitter people. This has happened. I don't know why.